For several months, I've been finding a way to make this pond crystal clear. See? I've used here rugs, microfiber. See, this is what I used to use, but I was not successful. Now, as you can see, the water is crystal clear. See the fishes there? I can see the bottom of the pond. What did they use? I use what I see in the YouTube videos. So here you can see that's lava rock, small pieces of lava rock. In between, I bought and put small gravels. See, these are the small gravels or medium-sized gravels that I use at the middle of that filter. Then at the bottom, I use stones or rocks of this size. See. So there are 3 layers of stones in this filter. The big rocks, the gravel, the medium size here, and then this one, the lava rocks. So as you can see, this is crystal clear, flowing through this pipe. An experiment for aquaponics, and then it flows to the pond. See, it is crystal clear. I can see the bottom of the pond all throughout. Then there is kangkong. This is pechay, which I am trying to grow as an experiment. And this is my grotto, image of Virgin Mary. And as you can see also at the bottom is the pump. That is just a 40-watt pump. I used the problem with the pump because the leaves sometimes clog the inlet of the pump. So what I did is I put the pump on a small basket with holes underneath, put the pump, and then put gravel, the medium-sized stones. So the pump will not be clogged. So it's been running, and I don't have any intervention on that pump. Okay. So as you can also see that this filter has this outlet. So this is to remove dirty water which is at the bottom of this filter. So just to remove that, I will just open this here. So when I open, water comes out, dirty water comes out. See, that's it. Then close it again. Okay, so that's just how I clean the pump. The filter. That's it. So pond still crystal clear. Thank you for watching.